Paris is a city of lovers. Alright, we're in the metro. Paris, downtown Paris. It's much less crowded on Sunday morning. Right, honey? It's much better. So, much less crowded. It's very peaceful.
Yeah, because it's early, honey.
9 o'clock on a Sunday morning.
Yeah.
Let's see. Here we are in the bridge. And look at the view we have here. We have plans to come get our pictures taken with a professional photographer. And it turns out to be raining. But I think we're supposed to be in a group, but nobody else has shown up from the group. So it might just be us. I'm excited about that. Yeah, the Eiffel Tower makes a great place to get your picture taken. So we had our professional photo shoot we bought through Airbnb. And because it's raining, I had this big puddle here, which before we even started taking pictures, a car came by and sprayed the both of us. And it's unfortunate we didn't get that on camera, because the car was going down the street here, hit this puddle, and got both of us really wet. Right, honey?
Yeah. It's still wet.
Before we even started our photo shoot.
Yeah. I'm freaking cold.
You're freaking cold. It's freaking wet.
Yeah.
Wearing a backless dress or...
But it's worth it. I love it. I enjoy this photo shoot.
Yeah. And because it was raining, I think the other people in our group, everybody else didn't show up, so it was just the two of us. Yeah. So we had our own private little photo shoot, which is great.
Yep.
Dream come true, right?
This is my #1 bucket list. It's happened on my birthday.
You have to come see Paris and the Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower, yeah. Oh, nice. So
yeah, just want to get a quick selfie video.
Before getting wet again, the car is coming.
For the Eiffel Tower. You like that one?
Yeah.
Kiss me.
Thank
Kiss
you.
Me again. And this is where we did most of our photo shoot at. The Viaduc du Passé. So Paris is a city of lovers. And we have this beautiful couple from Slovakia just got engaged. Look at this. Moments ago. Congratulations. What's your name? And this bridge, the Pont de Bir Hakim, great place for taking pictures. We got here for our photo shoot at 10 when it was raining. And there wasn't too many people here, but the longer we wait, the more people are coming. Obviously a great place to take pictures. Okay, where are we now, honey?
We're in Eiffel Tower. My #1 bucket list. We're here.
So now we can't see it because we're behind the trees. It's right up there. Negotiating to buy some umbrellas. Umbrellas for sale on a rainy day. Not necessarily a bad idea. And this is by the entrance to the Eiffel Tower.
I got the umbrella.
We got our tickets. We're heading up. Alright, so these guys are playing some sort of shell game there. Well, you have to be careful of that because pickpockets will come up behind you and take your stuff while you're distracted watching the game. Get our selfie in front of the Eiffel Tower.
Oh,
look at that. So the top is closed. And they're supposed to reimburse us for the difference between the ticket that we got going to the top and to where we're actually going to go. So now we have to wait in line to get inside there, to take the elevator. Okay. Now on this side, the wind's blowing through pretty hard this side. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too horrible. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too horrible coming through here. Man, wind's blowing. The top is closed for strong winds. Woohoo! Look at that. It's a double-decker elevator. Bye-bye, Eiffel Tower. Excuse me. Until next time, right?
No, I don't think so. We have next time.
No, next time?
No.
This is it?
That's it.
You marked it off your bucket list? Now
Yes.
you're good?
Uh-huh. I don't need to go back here again.
Alrighty. You heard it, folks.
Yeah. I'm happy.
She's happy forever now.
Yes.
She never has to travel again now that she's been to the Eiffel Tower in
No, I
Paris.
didn't say that I'm not gonna travel again. I'm done in my number one bucket list.
And we are here in a little cafe just down the street from the Eiffel Tower. I've got my cappuccino. That looks delicious. And it has some fresh orange juice. That looks delicious too. We're ordering lunch. I'm getting a Hawaiian salad, and she got some pasta. I like these little sugars that they give you to go in my cappuccino. And Lisa's got change. She's ready for Disney. You ready for Disney, honey?
Yes. It's obvious, Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Going to Disney. Got my Hawaiian salads. A plate to dip our bread in. And
Spaghetti alla carbonara.
carbonara spaghetti. Ooh, and I got the special of the day today, dessert, creme brulee.